it's me Scarlett and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to have an unboxing episode. So before anything else, please like this video, click the bell, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. I would like to thank Padilla family for this prepaid card, 100 Canadian dollars. Binigay nila sa akin kasi birthday ko nung March. Ginamit ko tong gift card para makabili ako ng bagong Enya ukulele sa Amazon. And today, we are going to unbox that Enya. Again, thank you so much Padilla family. And charan! Ito na siya. Enya Nova Ukulele. At dito sa ibaba, Enya Music. I bought this April 26. Dumating siya kahapon, May 1. So, buksan na natin. This ukulele pala is Enya Nova U, 23 inches. Then, concert. Charan! Let's open this. Yan. Wow. From box, another box ulit. Ito. Yan. Enya Nova Ukulele. Ganda ng box. Ano pa kaya yung laman? Buksan natin. Enya Music. The original price of this ukulele is 99.99 Canadian dollars. But, sale ito nung nabili ko. From 99.99 naging 84.99 na lang. Yan. At saka, merong $10 coupon na discount sa Amazon. So, ang total na binayaran ko is 94.49. Kasama na yung shipping. Now, buksan na natin. Ito na siya. Tchan-chararan. Wow! So, here it is. Ang ganda ng case niya. Hard case. Naka-hard case siya. At saka, ang bango. Ang bango niya. Meron siyang inclusion rin. It comes with user manual. And also this one, meron siyang strings and it is very cute. Tingnan nyo. Yan, may pangalan pa na Enya. Ganda ng strap niya. Merong logo. Logo ng Enya. Yan. And the last one is capo. Here. Meron siyang capo. Enya ukulele. Hard case po siya. Tapos, ito yung zipper. Meron ding logo. At ito naman yung back niya. Diba? Designed by Enya. And meron din siyang handle dito sa gilid. At sa loob ng case niya, merong name dito na Nova. And here it is. The final look of Enya. In 3, 2, 1, chan-charan, drum roll. About this ukulele, as you can see, ito siya. Ang ganda ng kanyang style. It is made of carbon fiber at easy to clean pa siya. And then, waterproof. So, kahit na gamitin mo ito habang nagsiswimming sa pool or sa dagat, okay lang. And, it has a bright sound. Compared sa mga wooden ukuleles. This one is the side sound hole, which ensures better self-resonance when you play this ukulele. And it is super lightweight. It is only 1.25 pounds. Sobrang gaan niya. And also, it has a thin body. Yan. Manipis. In short, ang sexy ng ukulele na ito. Mabuti pa yung ukulele sexy. And if you notice, yung kanyang back part, hindi siya flat. It is arc shape. Kasi, design talaga to para sa lahat ng levels ng mga players. Kahit beginner ka, kahit man advanced o super galing-galing mo nang mag-play ng ukulele, pwede to sa'yo. Hindi ako endorser ng ukulele. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung nakikita ko. Pero baka naman, Enya, I'm just one call away. At saka, yung kanyang strings naman ay super nipis. And this one is called Enya Fluorocarbon String. Kaya siguro hindi siya masakit sa kamay. And the good part is, meron silang different colors. Meron silang pink, blue, red, white, at itong black na to. Pero, the sad part is, iba-iba rin yung prices. Itong black na to yung pinaka-cheap sa lahat kasi naka-sale siya. If you want to buy this ukulele, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box. Just give me a minute, guys. I will tune this ukulele at magpi-play tayo ng konting kanta. And I'm back at na-tune ko na ito. Let's try to sing a song. I like your shirt, I like your fingers, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite chocolate just so I could always be there. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I hope you wait and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love you till the storm snow disappears. Love you till a rainy day becomes clear. Love like this, now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. Ang ganda ng kanyang sound. That's the end of our unboxing episode. This is Enya Nova U 23 inches concert ukulele. Grab yours now. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you sa aking next vlog. Bye, ukuleles!